Everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's scroll down until you'll find the screen timeout option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, the time option of course, which is 30 minutes and it is currently applied. Under it we've got also the option never, which means that after choosing it your device will not black out automatically. You will have to do it manually. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes, so let me tap on it. It is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.